Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, CB and Ham Radio Depot. Uh, I'm James. My wife Lynn, she is operating the camera. Uh, we made this little find at a ham fest here a while back, a Cobra 2000 GTL. This one's in nice condition. It does have some marks on it, which, considering the age of the unit, these units were made between 1979 and 1989. I believe this one's a 1988 version. Uh, this one has had some mods. We will kind of get into that here in just a minute. I know a lot of you guys, this thing is kind of a piece of history. You know, there's a bunch of these things made, and everybody really likes them. And to this day, they still like them. This particular one has had the clarifier unlocked and a super slider installed. It also has a Expo 100 kit installed, so it has 40 up, 40 down. Everything else seems to be pretty much stock. It has been peaked and tuned. When I received the radio, it needed some caps and alignment, but we got all that taken care of. Radio performs real well. I had it on the air yesterday, and everyone said it sounded really good. So anyway, let's go over some of this a little bit. A lot of you guys I know are familiar with these radios, so I'll be brief here with this. Of course, we've got the frequency counter. It's selectable up here. You can go to auto if you want the clock up all the time, and then you just want to know the frequency when you squeeze the microphone. That's doable. We have the alarm here. You can set the alarm for just like any other alarm. Set it to where the radio alerts you. Time set, hours and minutes right here. Down here on the bottom, we have the mic connection, of course, power switch, the phone jack, and auxiliary, which is for a recording device, if you wish to do so. Here on the left, we have the mic gain and your volume, squelch, RF gain, SWR calibrate. Now, the extra channels were installed here on the tone. They put a 3-position switch in, so it will give you your 40 down and your 40 up. Radio wasn't defaced by holes being drilled in it and such as that, which is a good thing. On your clarifier, it is unlocked. It also has had a super slider installed. It will slide around 9 kc, so it moves pretty good. Mode switch. Then, of course, your speaker selection here. You can, of course, there's provisions in the rear of this radio for 2 speakers, and a lot of guys like 2 speakers with these. So you can select speaker 1, speaker 2, or both. You have your A&L and your noise blanker here. Of course, your CBPA here as well. And here you can set your test your SWRs, calibrate, check your SWR, percent modulation, which reads here, will tell you how much you got your mic gain up, which is kind of handy. This radio is doing about 5 watts, swinging to about 15, doing about 22, 23 on sideband. So it does pretty well. These radios are also designed to run on DC. They can be ran on DC. There's a switch in the back that between AC and DC, and you can, with the appropriate DC cord, you can run it off a battery or a 12-volt power supply. Of course, we have a matching speaker here. The radio also has the stock hand mic, which came with these rigs. Overall, this is a really, really good rig. Like I say, I've kind of enjoyed using it. I haven't used one in quite a while, and works very well. So anyway, appreciate you all tuning in to our channel, and come see us. See our website, cbhamradiodepot, and you'll see equipment such as this and much, much more. Thanks for watching.